Hello everyone, welcome to IME SolidWorks Xpress. In this session, we will discuss about DFMXpress. After you go through this video, you will know what is DFMXpress and its benefits, who needs DFMXpress and the functionality. DFMXpress is an upfront validation tool for manufacturability. It will identify areas of a product that are difficult, expensive, or impossible for manufacturing process, thereby saving time and money. DFMXpress provides you benefits in terms of it can help you detect geometry of a product that will be difficult, expensive, or impossible to manufacture during the design process, so that it will reduce or eliminate consultation with your machinist. Besides that, it can be as an aid for inexperienced engineers or designers. It also can be used for sanity check for experienced engineers and designers. Basically, the manufacturing process that can be analyzed by DFMXpress is turning, drilling, and milling. Now, we go through the example for the functionalities of DFMXpress. Let's take a look on drilling. In this case, such as hole depth to diameter ratio plays a very important role to decide the manufacturability of a part. Holes with small diameters or high depth to diameter ratios are difficult to machine and are not recommended for convenient mass production. Besides that, deeper holes also make chip removal more difficult if the hole is blind. Those shapes that we use for milling will not able to create a sharp corner. DFMXpress have a capability to analyze about this and will recommend us to apply a curve at the sharp area. In this turning example, you can decide the bore relief of a turned part to ensure the manufacturability. Besides that, you can avoid sharp inside corners of a part by providing a minimum corner radius which is less prone to breakage. Users just need to key in all these criteria under the setting of DFMXpress and let the software to do the checking for you. Here are some simple steps on how to apply the DFMXpress. First, configure the setting to make sure DFMXpress will follow the criteria that already been defined. Then the software will detect the error and the user just need to fix it. Finally, we run the analysis to verify the error has been resolved and update the result. Now, let's take a look on a demo to see how we can use DFMXpress to do the analysis. Click the DFMXpress from a new toolbar, then it will bring you to the DFMXpress Property Manager. From here, you can define all the standards and process that you want. Under the setting of DFMXpress, you can define the part being analyzed is a pneumatic or turned part. For rules parameter, you can define hole depth to diameter ratio, minimum percentage of hole area inside part, mill to depth to diameter ratio, minimum corner radius, minimum percentage of bore relief part, minimum linear and angular tolerance zone. After all the criteria have been defined, hit on the Run button to start the analysis. From the result, you can obtain which area of parts are actually not fulfilling the criteria that has been set. As you click on those errors, the graphic will show you instantly on where is those errors happen. This is very convenient for the designer to correct their design once they know where they need to modify. First error is about depth to ratio, which does not meet the requirement. The hole is too deep for the diameter and is over the ratio limit 2.75 that we already set previously. So, we change the hole here and rerun to update the analysis. Second error is about the sharp edge corner. Machine tools that we use are cylindrical shape, so it is impossible to create such a sharp edge. To solve it, we need to apply fillet here. Again, rerun the analysis to update it. The next error is about hole volume position. In this case, we change the setting to make sure it's allowed our hole position can stay at 30% from the size hole. And now, we need to click Run tab again to update the analysis. The last error is about hole diameter does not follow the standard size hole. To do standard holes, we have standard tools. The diameter for that standard tools we can check from the setting here and click Edit. From here, you can choose what kind of standard that you prefer to use. Let's say we choose metric and then click OK to save it. Now, we need to change our hole's diameter to make sure it is exactly follow the standard. Again, we need to rerun the analysis to update the result. When you have completed all the errors, the result will show you that this part is fulfilling all the preset criteria and it is now ready for the manufacturing process. From this demo, hopefully you can see how easy and fast DFMXpress can help designer to ensure manufacturability of part during design stage, thus saving time and money to produce a part. If you need more information, you can communicate with us throughout these websites. Thank you for your time watching this video. Hope I can share with you again later. Bye.